All right, so we're recording. Today we're going to start with the warm-up Kahoot. This is going to be a review of trigonometry. You guys got those scientific calculators out? You guys ready to go? This is just going to be a quick Kahoot. After this, you guys are going to get to apply your kinematic knowledge. Have you guys put flip books together? So we're going to get to that in a few minutes, but Kahoot first. All right, so thank you. You guys got a few more seconds to hop in there. All right, so still not quite in, and that seven-digit pin will be at the bottom of the screen. Here we go. You guys got your calculators ready? It is trick time. These are all right triangles. You're about to see a bunch of right triangles. Solve for x. Did you guys do 50 times cosine of 65 degrees? Is that what you did? 50 times cosine of 65 degrees? Yeah, somebody did, right? I'm just going to do it this way. I'm just going to go over these verbally. I mean, this is all stuff that you've already been tested on, so you should be able to do all these. Okay? So, Kaylee got it. All right, nice. Solve for y. Did you guys do 50 times sine of 65 degrees? So what you guys just did? 50 times sine of 65 degrees? Ah, yeah. Okay, you guys get this now. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Look at all those points. Kaylee, Joshua, Olivia, Bella, Joshua on the board. And so did you guys just apply the Pythagorean theorem? So you did 10 squared plus 11 squared, and then you took the square root, right? Ooh, okay. So that was Pythagorean theorem, right? You know, two legs of a right triangle. These are all right triangles. So the 10 squared plus 11 squared, take the square root, you get 14.9. I got, oh, Olivia, moving to the top. Bridget, Kaylee, Joshua, Bella. You guys remember how to extract the angle? Okay, wait, since you know the two sides, you guys remember this is going to be an inverse tan? Right, so inverse tan, then 11 over 10. So you guys did inverse tan of 11 over 10? Oh, look at you guys go. Oh, yeah. So inverse tan of the ratio of the two sides. All right, Kaylee, back to the top. Bridget, on fire. Right, got you guys through this. So there's a tangent relationship going on here. Tangent of 28 degrees is y divided by 99, but there's also an algebra step. So you cross multiply up the 99, and here's what it ends up being. It ends up being 99 times tan 28, okay? So 99 tan 28 degrees. Ah, yeah, all right, you guys are doing better and better. All right. Now, that was tricky. You got to do a trig setup, and then there was one algebra step also involved in there. All right. Got Kaylee, Bridget, Joshua, Olivia, Aden. So the setup would go cosine of 28 degrees is 99 divided by h. Okay. You do a couple of algebra steps. Right, and then if you had rearranged it, then it turns out that h is equal to 99 divided by cosine of 28 degrees. Okay, so if you do 99 divided by cosine of 28 degrees. All right, so a couple of guys have it. That's actually the trickiest question on this whole Kahoot. Okay, so you have to set up a cosine ratio and then do a couple of algebra steps. Okay, so that one was pretty tricky. Okay. Oh, Bella hopping in the top 5. Kaylee holding on to the top spot. You guys are about to see some rotated triangles. You guys see the hypotenuse is 40 units. Okay, so hypotenuse is 40. Did you guys do 40 times sine of 27 degrees to flip it over to the opposite side? 40 times sine of 27 degrees is 18. Oh, yeah. Addie back in the top 5. Kaylee still in top spot. What about the other leg of that same triangle? Did you guys do 40 times cosine of 27 degrees? I mean, 40 is still the hypotenuse. 40 times cosine of 27 degrees. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Everybody getting it right. Getting the points. Okay. 2 more questions. This worked out pretty perfect. So take the hypotenuse 300, multiply by sine of 40 to flip it over to the opposite side, opposite of the angle. 300 times sine of 40 degrees. Yep, 193. Right? And here are our points. Ooh, all right. Jackie in for position. All right, last question. It's going to seal the deal for Kahoot medals. Right, so you guys took the hypotenuse 300 and multiplied by cosine of 40 degrees, right? Because that y leg is adjacent to the 40-degree angle. Yeah, there you go. There you go. All right, so you guys did awesome there. Again, review stuff. If you need to brush up on that over the weekend, then you know. Right, with the bronze, Joshua. With the silver, Bridget. And the gold, Kaylee. And our runners up are Addie and Bella. All right, nice job. Nice job. All right, so let's go to our main thing we're doing today. You guys should have a flip book on your desk. Well, it's not exactly a flip book. It's almost a flip book, but it doesn't flip. Does anybody not have one of these? Does anybody not have one? Okay, everybody's gone. Great. All right, now, need turns into a flip book. So the way you're gonna get, you guys see the binding on the left side, the 2 staples? Right, that's gonna be the left side. Right. So roll it a couple times. You guys see I just did roll, roll. Right? Let me go back and do that again. Right. So just take this binding where the staples are, go roll once, roll twice, and it should look something kind of like that. Okay. Now maybe I'll kind of smash this down, get kind of flat. Okay. Now, here's where you need some heavy duty scissors. If you have some little cheap purple scissors at your desk that you might need to do a trade and borrow some. Right? You guys want some nice heavy scissors. Right? Then cut off about the right, about centimeter or so. About the right centimeter. You guys have rollers on your desk. You need to measure out about a centimeter, but a little bit less than half an inch. Right? Look about like that. Right? Okay. Now, a moment ago, I had you guys just roll up the binding. So if you unroll it, then you get a book that flips really nice looking flip book. You can see every page, like frame by frame. Okay. All right. So I want you guys to apply your the knowledge that you guys have learned in class last couple of weeks. Okay. And then next week we'll do more projectile stuff. Next week I have a projectile lab lined up for you guys. And next week, before the end of the week, I'll get you guys the quiz. I'm working on that now. I'm almost finished with that. And that'll be a take-home quiz. So that's all next week's stuff. Okay. But for now, just for today, we're doing flip books. So, hey, actually, this is a really good example to start with. You guys see a cat in a ball? Hey, comes with sound effects. You guys see like a projectile type motion? You guys see? If you follow the frames, does it look like a projectile? And in your brain, that should click as like, oh yeah, like I could believe that motion. That looks really real. You see that? Or past example, it's got surfing. We got a tree growing. We got fireworks. We got gold, or I guess it's bouncing off the wall. Hey, it's another cat and a ball. It's more like linear motion. Now, if you want to get the linear motion exactly right, then remember frame by frame, maybe it make it look like a ball falling off a cliff. So you have to figure out the exact position of where the ball's going to be if you want it to be really realistic. Ooh, a cannon projectile motion. Check this out. It looks like he's going for that tank. Oh, he missed it. He missed it in his own animation. Oh, this guy. With the spear. Oh, look at that. Really nice projectile going right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We got skating. We got pineapple under the sea. We got a flower. And hey, it's a shark. He looks like a friendly shark. The end. Yeah, that would definitely be the end. That was a showstopper right there. All right, so you guys got the rest of class to use your imagination, come up with a design, walk around and see what you guys come up with. All right, and I'll give you guys some points for that.